Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Guruji. So today in this video we are going to see how to do the confirmation search using Avogadro. So how it helps you in the calculation is, suppose you are working with some reaction mechanism or some complex or some adapt formation. So in those cases there will be n number of possibilities of putting those two molecules or more than two molecules together, right? So if we use this tool, it will reduce some of our calculations. How does it helps? We'll just have a look. So first I have one more adduct over here, this complex I'm having here. So this is one molecule and this is another molecule. So I don't know which way I like, since these molecules are interacting, right? So I don't know which way I should put this molecule. Okay, so I can put it above, down, below, here, and there are n number of possibilities. So which will be preferred one? There is one way, like we have to design in all ways and we have to do the calculations and find it out, but that's not possible, right? So what we can do is we can open this molecule in Avogadro and go to the file menu here, sorry, file menu, and here you search for that molecule that you have interest. And once you have inserted that molecule, so we got our molecule here. Now you go to the extensions, here you go to the molecular mechanics and conformer search. So here you can see, if you are doing the systematic rotor search, so the maximum number of possibilities for the rotamers and the search like isomers is 2915. So that's difficult, like that will give you the entire number of possibilities based on the molecular mechanics. Yeah, one more thing I should mention here, this tool uses molecular mechanics, which is not that much reliable, but still it gives you some information and the confirmation which helps to get down of some of the molecular motifs. So you can choose this one, or you can have fixed number. You can fix how many conformers you want, and so you can put those values here. Okay, or if you want to put you can increase the convergence criteria and all these things, you can select this. So right now, if you are using all confirmation search, it will take a couple of time. So just to reduce the time, you can search with systematic routed search also, no problem. Just to reduce time, I'm just selecting this with 100 number of confirmers and selecting OK. You can see on screen it is calculating. Yeah, so the calculation is still going on. You can see here that FPS it is showing file. Okay, we'll see how many isomers are done and how many are yet to be. Okay, so once those calculations are done, we can go for view properties, conformer properties. So here if you see, all those conformers are done, right? So you are having 100 number of conformers, and here in the here you are having the energetics. So it is showing same energy, means it was not able to capture those all of the isomers. And okay, in those cases you can go for extension, molecular mechanics, conformer search, and you can do the systematic rotor search, no problem. Once you do, you can see it is searching for all the possibilities, whatever possible conformers are. So there was 2900 something, right? It will take quite some time, so we'll wait for that. So here you can see in the screen, how it is trying to calculate the energetics of those adduct formation in all the conformation possible. Since I have chosen that all conformers 2900, because in 100 it was not captured, it took just one conformer. That's the reason I took that all of the conformers. It will take quite some time. We'll wait for that, and then we'll see how it looks like. So the conformational search is over. Now we'll go to the view menu here in the properties, and the conformer properties. Here if you see, I will be having one pop-up menu over here, and here you can see you are having 2916 conformers that you have shown there, right, in the beginning. So, and the corresponding energy. So the energetics with the lowest value will be the preferred conformer for this system, right? So here you can select on the energetics. Suppose I'm selecting this, so pertaining to this you will be seeing the conformer. So the current conformer belongs to this conformer 2916. Similarly, you can click on any of the conformers, you will be able to see. So one by one you can check for the lowest value of energy. Here it is 410. So this one you can check. Okay, similarly you can check if it is more lower than this. This is more lower, and if it is further lower, you can just note it down, 476. And if you are getting more lower than this, okay, so you can check one by one, right? Whichever is the lower, you can take that conformer for the calculation and all. So this is the way you can get, you know, the and also you, so some cases it may not be accurate, right? So you can take more number of conformer, not just one. You can take 4 5. Suppose your the energetics are very close, so in those cases you can take those close energetics species. Suppose here we have seen the lowest energy around 478 something, so around 460 above we'll take all those conformer, and we'll study that, right? So that will reduce the other possibilities. So similarly, if you see, so you are having 489, so you will take this one and 489, and we'll see if any molecule is having this similar energy, we'll take that one all as well. So you are having around a 503. So this is the preferred one, right? 501. These two will take, and we'll leave that 480 something. Since we are having the 523, so we'll take this as well. So all these species conformers will take, and we'll optimize separately, and we'll just study that interactions, and we'll do the calculation for those things only. So this is the way you can do the informational search using Avogadro. If you have any doubt pertaining to this video, you can put in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.